Hi guys, short video to show you what we've done. We've sent the campaign. We sent it to 284 recipients. This is the way it looked like, the campaign. So now, and we send it on this date. So the campaign name, I named it Targeting New Subscribers, and these are the recipients. Open rate 14%, which means 14% they have opened our emails, so which means 40 people have opened it. And they say click rate 1%. These are 4 people who clicked on the button we sent. Then successful deliveries 279, orders 0. So this simply means we sent 284 and 279 they have received the emails, and total opens, they are 48 people who have opened, and this says the clicks per unique open 40, then clicks, total clicks, this gonna be, it's four people clicked on the link, on the button we want them to go. You can see. So that's all. So the campaign is gone, and they are showing us some other statistics here down, but I think everything is fine now. So the first video, I did another video, but that video I didn't do what, I was showing how to send. I didn't show how to the statistics, so I was waiting for the statistics. So we have them now. So let me stop the video and I'll send you the video right now.